Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken zipper on boots. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the problem. Is the pull tab missing, or has the slider come completely off the track? Perhaps the teeth are simply misaligned, or the slider feels too loose. Understanding the specific issue is the crucial first step before attempting any repairs. This initial assessment will guide your repair strategy. If your zipper teeth are separated, you can often fix this with a pair of needle nose pliers. Gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the zipper slider, just slightly, to tighten its grip. Then, carefully guide the slider back onto the zipper teeth, starting from the very bottom of the track. Work it up slowly, ensuring both sides of the zipper engage evenly. This often resolves simple separations. Sometimes, a component needs replacing. If the zipper pull is broken, you can easily attach a new one using a small jump ring or a split ring. For a completely broken slider, you will need a replacement. Carefully remove the old slider, often by prying open the top stop with pliers. Then, slide the new slider onto the teeth from the top, ensuring it's oriented correctly, and recrimp the top stop. To keep your boot zippers working smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Lubricate them periodically with a wax-based product, like a zipper wax stick or even a graphite pencil. This reduces friction and prevents sticking. Always avoid forcing a zipper that feels stuck, as this can bend teeth or break the slider. Regularly clean any dirt or debris from the teeth using a small brush to ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.